Welcome everybody. Welcome every human. Today is about cooking video. I'm going to cook omelette. Cook an omelette with Thai omelette. Alright, so all we need to have is egg, pepper, and some cooking equipment like a dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, an oyster sauce. Japanese sauce and some little mixed vegetable. Alright, so first thing I did. Alright, I prepared this already. So then we're gonna put this first. It's a Japanese sauce into this. Alright, so you can put how much you want, but not too much. It's going to be very salty. Alright, like this one. And then we're going to put a dark soy sauce. Alright, like not too much, just put it decent. Alright, like this. Next one is oyster sauce. Put it inside. Not too much. Alright, like that. Next is pepper. We're gonna make it like this. You can put as much as you want. Right? Okay. So the last thing we're going to put is milk. Not too much. Right? Maybe a little bit more like this. Okay. Mix it together. Alright, then with this and mix again. Alright, mix again. Like that. This is the recommended menu for someone who needs a high protein meal. Alright, so just mix it. So for the one who is doing gym and want to gain more muscle faster, so you need this. An omelette is best meal for you. Alright, and then we're going to wait for the pan to get hotter and hotter. Alright, so this step, we're going to wait for the pan to getting hotter and hotter. This time, the pan that we're waiting is hot enough to cook. Alright, let's see this step. We're gonna put the egg that we mix to the pan and we're grab it. Alright, like this. So the thing that you're thinking is just to make an omelette looks good, nice and clean in one shape. But for us, we're going to make it like some little fluffy thing. Here is a pan, alright? Just do like this. So we use no oil, we use no cooking oil in this. So this guarantee healthy, really healthy. Because we put no cooking oil in there. Alright. So this meal is not too long, maybe just 10 minutes or 15 minutes to cook and ready to eat after that. Guaranteed it is going to be great and tasty and easy to cook. Alright? See. Let's take a look at this. Alright, it's going to be something like this and then we're going to make it. Okay. Just keep doing like this, like this. Okay. Put into the dish to make it ready and perfect. Alright, we finished with the Thai omelette. Easy meal, high protein. We're using it. Alright, let's taste it. Alright, here is our victim.
And then I'm gonna try your omelette, which I hope it will be perfect. Put some rice in it. Perfecto.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. My man, Tony just made the perfect plate that I ever tasted. Except my mom that is better than you, but this is the best protein omelette. Tony, my man.